It's your boy Domination. This is Back in the Basics. You're gonna do this is how we do it. Takes a baby man $1 back. You know what it is. Know what it is. Know what it is. Know what it is. Real man rise up. Fake man rise down. Real women rise up. Fake women rise down. Brought to our preaching to preach on. As a man $1 back. You know what it is. Know what it is. Know what it is. Know what it is. So I'm gonna do so we do Texas, baby. And today's topic what I talk about is child custody. I really want to talk about this because it's kind of sad. Because I believe every man and woman deserve to be happy having a family, just like every child, son and daughter deserve a mother and a father, because they need guidance in this world. Because if you didn't need no guidance, they need to lead to example. I'm gonna tell you what it's sad to hear this kind of story right here. It's really sad. This man had to go to prison for 6 months trying to be a good father and stuff like that. Not only that, he had to be in prison for six months, but he had to pay $6,000 just to be in that a child's life. And the mother ain't no good, because I want to know where her ass at. Because I tell you right there, and the fucked up judge of it too. Fuck the judge of the court system. Because the chances are, you could tell this man want to be there for his child. If he didn't, he'd be a good ass liar, because he don't need to be lying. But I don't think he's lying. I think he's trying to be honest about it, because there are men out there who do take responsibility and never get the damn credit for it, especially brothers. Brothers, you need to think about who the lady you gonna lay yourself into for a woman, because chances are you're gonna produce life. I meant y'all and all the rest of the men out there, and ladies need to think about who the man they laying down with, because they know they create children, and it only take 2 people take care of a baby, not 1 but 2, and it's really sad, man. The way this system was set up, this a feeling for the mother and the father, especially fathers out there who re-appear, because they make it seem like there are men out there don't take care of their kids. But ask me this one question: but the men who don't take care of their kids, they never put them in jail or none of that. None of that. I got 2 sisters. I know what I'm talking about, because one of the men they never put child support to their child, but one of them is having, the other one didn't. They still try to hold on to them. And ladies, don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about, because half of y'all done this as well. Thank God I'm not in the relationship, because I'm not gonna let to be used for no damn female, and I know a female ain't gonna let me use her. It is sad. It only takes 2 to tangle. It ain't 1 to mango, because everybody deserve, to have their best interest at heart. If they don't have no best interest at heart, who will take anything what gives or no gives? Because remember, these owners are going to take care of your kids. If you don't take care of them, you better have the financial reason. If there's no financial for no reason, you ain't going to take care of that child. They're going to start taking and give it to a best environment for the best of the lovability at home. I mean, it angers me, because this is why I never had kids. Because I don't want to deal with no damn child support, because I'm the kind of man going to take care of my kids. I'm going to take care of my responsibility. That's the kind of man I am, because I deserve having a wife and being a husband and take care of 2 kids or maybe 3 by the same woman. Now, I know babies by 2 different females, and women don't need to have babies by 2 different guys. That's unqualified for, because you know what? People made this as illusional and intrusional. They making money off of it, and they allow it to happen. They wonder why the father's not the home. They wonder why the mothers stop being the role, being moms. And it's kind of sad, but don't blame the kids for it. Don't take your anger and frustration out on kids. Take your anger and frustration on that man, and men need to take their anger and frustration on the woman, not on the child, not from the daughters, and not from the damn son, but they didn't ask to be there. And it's really sad about all this, because nobody deserves to live in days of misery. Nobody does. Nobody. Not the man, not the woman, not even child. If you don't want to bring no kids in the world, don't get them. They need to start dating people who got kids, the ones who got kids. And the people who don't got no kids, they need to start dating people who don't got kids. And that cool to me or my brother. Because nobody wants an already made family. Now, some be a good man, a good woman to parade that, to who want to participate, who participate in and want to be there for the children. Because I hate to see kids suffer. I really do. It's like the Uncle Sam of child support, of money that we want you to pay your child support. I mean, it's kind of sad if you really think about the whole thing of it, and they wonder why nobody wants to be there for kids. They wonder why nobody wants to be there for the kids are raising for themselves. If the mother and the papa don't think for a second for these kids and stuff like that, and then instead of they gotta take care of the damn child. So what happens that, you know, and that's what angers me. That's what angers me a lot when you hear about what's going on. And I'm gonna tell you what's really angers me the most, man. Instead of putting that guy in jail, try to be a good father. Why they ain't put guys like this in jail? I mean, you gonna see what I'm talking about. Like this guy, this guy have a baby by 18 women, 12 females, and this obesity bitch patting on the back like he did an excellent job. See, I can't stand guys like this. Women love defending guys like this, and the only reason why they parade him and praise him because women want to ride his dick. Women talk about they look for the good dick. That's the only reason what it's about. And the biggest problem with what goes on in the black community it happens in any community, but most happily the most in the black community, because we crazy of this delusional and not to make a better solution of and to solve this problem. Our people created this. I don't created this because I don't have no kids, and my brother don't either. We the only two don't have no families. The only ones who have families is my two sisters and my stepbrother. And then I'm gonna tell you something, man. That's who suffer is these kids. These kids are the main ones that have to be suffered because of that. Because nobody wants to take. They want to take the time for their responsibility or lack of responsibility. And that's what made me say, what don't make no sense about it. They'll take the person to jail all because they don't want to be there for the damn child. But the ones that, you know, they don't do nothing to them. The ones who don't want to be there for the child, man, they don't put them in jail. But the ones who want to be there for the kids, the good father, good mother, they'll put them in jail because women in custody as well. And I was watching True Lifetime. I mean, not True Lifetime. True Life. It's on MTV. I don't know if they show that no more. They probably still show it because there was a white girl. She was in custody for her child because this man ain't think about taking care of her baby. He ain't think about taking care of his child. One of the two. She want to be there for the child, but he there for the baby a lot more instead of her. I don't know if she did something right or ain't doing nothing right or nothing like that. But I feel like this: if you deserve the best for that child, be there for that child regardless. Because once you have a child in this world, it's not about you no more. It's about that kid. But look at Chief Keef. Now that man is in prison. He in prison for you know, pregnant an older woman. She in her 30s or something like that. I'm telling you, I never did like Chief Keef, be honest with you, because he create of this generation of loss of the soul to men. But they fell to the Satan man pit in the fire hole. I'm telling you, it just the main reason why the problem is going on in Chicago. And it is kind of sad because they say he has something to do with the murder of Lil JoJo, but Lil JoJo ain't innocent himself. Nobody deserves to die for that. But I'm gonna tell you like this, man. This is what people have to face every day, especially fellas out there. Fellas, I'm gonna tell you that right now, man. Be careful, man. You better think of way ahead in your head and not think of way down below of your what you got behind your genery. You know what genery I'm talking about. Your male genes. Because I'm telling you right now, because think about sex, ain't nothing wrong with that. But you better think about who the women you laying yourself to. Because nowadays, when you create life, your job is to take care of that child, provide to that family, and take care of that. I understand women can be difficult to deal with, but at the same time, fight for your right to remain to see your child. because and nobody have a better right than you, and prove your right to be there for that child. Because I'm telling you, it's just, oh God, I tell you, and women need to do the same thing. And I hate it when the kids have to be in the middle of this confusion, of the confusion is between the mother and the father, because the mother and the father don't get along, but the kids have to be suffocated for it. It's like they treat these kids like they maggoty rent, like they pull her left and right, pulling him left and right, and they tearing the kids, breaking heart and break them in two. Some parents don't think about that, but how would you feel when you see your two parents fight like that? What would you do? What would you even do if that was you? And I hate that. I really do, because people ain't think about being parents anymore. Parents don't think about that. They don't think about being parents no more. Now they think about they care about us being selfish, being and being careless. They being selfish, but the kids don't have to be suffering for it because of that, and it's sad. I would love to have a child and stuff like that, and being proud of it, and stuff like that, and you know, and making these videos and stuff like that, and you know, a lot of things else is going on, and because of that, I don't know what else is going to take that what's out there in this world that's going on, and be honest with you, and because of that, you know, you see all the things that's going on. Now I see why men and women run away from their damn responsibility. Now I see why. Now I see why. All because of that. And that's what don't gets me right there, man. Because these kids are raised by themselves. Because of that, too many people are selfish nowadays, and that's how it is. It's really like that in this daily life. Like, but this guy right here, man, need his ass whooped. He need a lot of bare ass whooping, because this motherfucker had 22 kids and 18 different mamas or 17 different mamas, and he act like being proud of it. He asking the government's assistance, paid the assistance to help his ass with damn child support. See, motherfuckers like that are the real reason why we in the situation we in, and make it, all he doing is make it more difficult for men who want to have families. He needed his fucking head open, busting the goddamn of a fragile fucking knee, and fragile on the damn of scoliosis, a broken bone in his damn head. I hope he don't live where I am or that other guy's world, because I'm gonna tell you. But the brother that's trying to be a good father, he send his ass to jail. Send those damn two to jail. Send them to jail, but they send him. They don't send those guys to jail, because women like guys like that. They love to defend them. And I'm gonna say about this, man. Look what happened to Nas. Nas had to pay $100,000 a grand, not 7,000 a grand or something like that, just to pay Khalees. And this bitch don't even do anything. Because of that, everybody gonna think that loud mouth talking about Nas, how a no good father he is. But that man tried to take care of his damn child, and she know Nas is a good father, and not even tell him where the baby was. He had to look everywhere, all around the damn neighborhood and the damn New York City, try to find her ass, her trifling ass and trifization ass bitch, trying to find Khalees. And I knew this woman was no good. Her milkshake, yeah, she been milking Jake Wilder milking her damn jug and her dad's jug off the tits. I tell you, watch out, man, because I'm telling you, there are women who are like this, but quite a few women ain't like that. For the women that's still waiting for their damn child support and all that stuff, do your part too. And fellas, y'all need to do the part the same, because it's really sad, man, because the family unit is fucked up because of feminism and gay tendencies and all this sexual disparity agenda, and the kids have to suffocate because of suffering behind that. But where the feminism group at when they claim they cared about families? Where the man's right? Where everybody else out there? That tell you right there, they don't give a damn. They care about their own problems and not caring about unless everybody else's problem. Well, it's not my problem to make a solution out of it. You make a worse solution out of yourself. So what that tell you? What the fuck that tells you? And they send it to a bad example. It's okay to kill your own damn child, like this bitch right here, Anthony Casey, that bitch. Her ass been in the attempted fucking murderment, her own damn child. And I was out there in Walmart, and that was like 3 or 4 years ago. And I was in Walmart, and women were outraged behind that. But who should be outraged is the feminism women's movement group, because where were they at? Where the sisterhood? Where all them at? Because they making a better accusation. It's okay to kill your first child. It's okay to kill your first child. No, it's not. It's not okay to kill your first child. It's not okay to kill your first child. Or any child. If you don't want to bring babies in this world, then let's go after men and women. If you don't want no babies in this world, don't bring them in the world. Don't bring them in the world if you can't reproduce and unproduce it. And women create life and brought life. And it's sad. It is really sad, because there's a real reason why God created men and women. And Adam and Eve. And it is sad. It brings out the spare out of Eve, out of Adam. Because I'm gonna tell you what's really sad. The most they treat these kids like they the baby deliveries out the goddamn sky, like a carrying bird nest out of the birds seeds. And I'm gonna tell you something, man. Take care of your seed, fellas. This is really important, because I'm tired of seeing this stuff everywhere you go. Because it's not about being a good parent no more. It's about being unlike a parent and unparented. And it shouldn't be the government's job to take care of your damn kids. And who need they ass well, not just the women, but the guys as well, because they parading it. They let people get away with it, run out wild and stuff like that. Because I'm not taking care of somebody's seed that I know I ain't planning. Because I know I'm gonna take care of my seed from out of the woman's womb. The most dangerous thing that ever comes out of a woman is her wombness. And then women wonder why, and they men wonder why women are being unlike bitter, tough women. Period, being bitter as hell, and they argue for the damn kids and stuff like that. Who's right and who's what's not right? Man, I'm telling you, it really angers me. Why you think these damn parents? Why you think these kids killing parents and parents killing kids? It's in the damn Bible Revelation. It is really so damn sad. But they send this man to jail for 6 months trying to be a good father. See, I tell you how America, how fucked up it is. And next thing you know, they're gonna do the good woman like she trying to be a good mother. They don't give a damn. As long as they own your kids, you better start taking care of your damn kids. But if you don't, the most powerful people will. But guess what? They ain't got to deal with child support. They got money. They got that they can take care of. And they have the financial reason. You don't have no financial reason. And that grows in you, but that includes in them. And that's all I can say about that, folks. That's all I can say about that. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. And men and women. And do everybody a favor. Stop producing life if you're not producing life, fellas. And women, stop giving birth if you can't produce birth. But here's a song going to be a lesson that there are men out there busting none these women for no reason. Fellas, y'all need to quit doing that shit, and women quit letting yourself let a man bust a nut into you. Because this song is so damn true. It is brutally stated what I've been stated. Shout out to Harvey Superboy that pointed this out, because he was right on the money, right on the point right there. Because it needs to change, man. Because it needs to be stopped once and once for all. Alright? Alright. And it's your boy Domination. This is Back of the Basic. Chugging the Deuces, how we do Texas, baby. And until next time, alright? Chugging the Deuces, how we do Texas, baby. Alright? Till next time, alright? Alright. Peace, and I'm out. Here's the video, and that'll be the end of this show. Alright? Alright. And I'll see y'all again next time. Alright? Alright. Here's the video.
nothing in these bitches. I met a bitch named Trace. Yo, I straight nothing in that bitch. That bitch named turn you around the corner. I be nothing in that bitch. I got a homegirl named Stacy. I straight be nothing in that bitch. I call Kim up. Let's come on through. Let's go climb on top. No rubber for you. Let's go ride that dick. So keep on going. Now get rid of that. I'ma shoot all in it. I'ma let the shit go. That bitch I already know. No plan B for her. This bitch gon' have my baby. And I'ma try to be crazy. I be nothing in these bitches. 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 When I fuck her, I ain't gonna pull out. Cause I be nothing in these bitches. I be nothing in these bitches. I be nothing in these bitches. I'm Tasha, cause I be nothing in that bitch. And you know a nigga come quick. I ain't making love with these hoes. Yeah, that bitch already know. I call up the other bitch Nicole. I put my finger in her booty hole. And I be nothing in that bitch. Yeah, man, I be nothing in that